Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I thought I should make this update video because I have heard, just gonna throw this out there. I know a lot of people have been talking about me on this video that I made called the 2-phone Uber trick. Basically, get 2 phones, but one's the Uber driver app and then one is the Uber passenger app, to basically see where cars are, so you can position yourself in a better way. Maybe it's not any huge secret. I guess a lot of you guys already knew that, but I did want to give credit to, I think he's the original creator, the Rideshare Professor. There's a bunch of different people who made updates video on this, and I thought it'd be a good idea to make my own, because him and I guess in general, I have a very different audience than some of these more established YouTubers who have been making rideshare videos for a while. And so, a lot of my videos are geared towards new drivers, because when little backstory, trust me, all the other guys, actually Rideshare Professor was one of the first guys. He did inspire me to make videos on YouTube. I'm gonna link his original video in the description so you guys can look at his. It's I think he made it like 2 years ago or so, but he actually inspired me a lot. And I think it was a few months ago when I first started out, I watched a lot of his videos, thought he had a great attitude. I think I even commented in one of his live streams, and he was like, he told me good job and keep up the hard work, and I actually took that to heart. So I didn't mean to rip him off, I did. Okay, now I'm in deep water, because I kind of did take his title, so maybe I should change the title of that video. But basically what I wanted to say is that I am no expert on Uber and Lyft. Like, Rideshare Professor is, and some of these other guys, if you want to listen to somebody who's like an expert, it's probably not me. I like making videos, and a lot of my videos are geared towards new drivers, because when I first started out, I had literally hundreds of questions, and I wanted to kind of make this a hub. There's people on my channel who have thousands of rides, who've done thousands of rides. I'm gonna start doing videos soon talking about, I'm gonna try out all the different apps. I've already done Uber and Lyft, but I'm gonna do like a week of Uber, a week of Lyft, a week of DoorDash, week of Grubhub. It's probably gonna be like a 10-week series where I just go through every single app. But basically, I just wanted to make this update video because, I don't know. Go check out the other videos that were made about the 2-phone Uber trick. What's his name? Dave the Uber Slave. He's another YouTuber. He made a video about it. But I just wanted to make this update video and just say, if you're thinking about doing the 2-phone Uber trick, I guess it doesn't really work that much anymore, because as you can see in my previous video, when you open up I don't want to show my location, but when you open up the app, the passenger app, it only shows you like the nearest 6 or 8 cars, so it didn't really work anyway. And I was actually kind of confused when I made the video. Like I said, I claim to be no expert. I just share my thoughts, my opinions. Like, even when I read articles, a lot of times I haven't even read them before. I'm just pulling them up and sharing my thoughts, because I honestly kind of treat YouTube more like Facebook, where I just, you put up a quick video and then get people's thoughts and opinions. But no, by no means do I claim to be an expert. I did want to apologize to Torsten. And also, I'm still doing the giveaway, the car giveaway. So feel free to enter that. Hopefully I will be at 20,000 subscribers soon. So it's live right now. To be honest, I wanted, once I got to 10,000, run the giveaway and then give people some time to enter. So you know, I know a lot like YouTube works, so it's gonna take probably like a month or two for me to hit 20,000. So you can still enter until I hit 20, and then I'm gonna fly out and buy somebody a car. I think what I'll do is I'll meet up with the person in person, and then we'll go and buy the car together, and we can pick out a car that that they like, and you know, I'm gonna let the winner pick their car that they want to buy within a decent price range. So you can still enter that. That's the last video on my channel. But yeah, that's it for the video. I just wanted to make this quick update and, you know, apologize to the Rideshare Professor. Again, he's a great guy. So I'm gonna link his video to the original 2-phone Uber trick if you guys want to watch that. And yeah, I recommend subscribing to him because yeah, he I don't know what I'm saying, but go check him out, and some of the other rideshare YouTubers as well. I put my favorite rideshare YouTubers in the description if you want to look at those people. But yeah, I will update you all soon, and get you guys with some more content soon. Alright, thank you all. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.